I'm going to show you how to make General Tso chicken without frying. This dish is widely loved for its crispy fried chicken pieces coated in a rich, flavorful sauce. Here, we are going to prepare it as a stir-fry and keep the delicious typical flavor. Find more details about the ingredients at the end of the video. Start by marinating the chicken. Remove the skin from 2 pounds of chicken thighs and cut into pieces. You can also use chicken breast. Season with half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine. Mix well to ensure that chicken absorbs the flavors. Then add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix again. The cornstarch creates a protective layer during cooking, keeping the chicken tender and juicy. The oil helps maintain tenderness while preventing pieces from sticking together. Let rest while preparing the other ingredients. Finally, chop 4 garlic cloves. During cooking, the garlic develops a roasted flavor typical of Chinese stir-fry dishes. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 tablespoon. Slice 1 green onion. For the seasoning sauce, in a bowl, put 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of white rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of black rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of chili paste, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Combine to dissolve the cornstarch and sugar. Add a half cup of water. Preheat the pan on high heat until it begins to smoke, which takes 2 to 3 minutes. Add the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add the ginger and briefly stir. Then add the chopped garlic and briefly stir again. Add the chicken pieces. Spread them out. Put the garlic and ginger from the edges onto the chicken to prevent burning. Let sear for 3 minutes. Flip the pieces. They should have a delicious golden crust. Cook for another 3 minutes. Stir for 1 minute for even cooking. Add a half tablespoon of dark soy sauce and stir for 1 minute. This step is crucial. The dark soy sauce gives the chicken a beautiful golden color. As it caramelizes, it enhances umami and roasted flavors. Put the seasoning sauce and turn to medium heat. Stir for 1 minute and 30 seconds. The sauce thickens. This sauce is the key element of General Tso chicken, giving the dish its iconic identity. It combines the typical flavors of Chinese cuisine. The non-fried General Tso chicken is ready. Sprinkle the green onion. Enjoy it with jasmine rice. Use the rich sauce to drizzle over the rice. For a balanced meal, enjoy with stir-fried vegetables like chopped soy. Bon appétit! The dish is salty, slightly sweet, tangy, and a little spicy. We love the delicious aroma of the black rice vinegar. Dark soy sauce is salty and has more intense flavor than light one. It's used to add saltiness, deepen the dish flavors, and give a beautiful golden brown color. Sometimes, as here, is briefly evaporated in the hot pan to leave a rich roasted aroma on the ingredients. Shaoxing cooking wine is made from fermented rice. It enhances the flavors of dishes, adding a delicious, distinctive taste. It's added to some marinades or during stir-frying. The alcohol evaporates during cooking. Black rice vinegar balances the dish by adding acidity, creating harmony between sweet, salty, and tangy flavors. It's valued for its unique aroma, which brings an extra layer to flavor to dishes. It's often used in hot and sour soup, noodles, and dumpling dipping sauces. White rice vinegar also contributes to flavor balance with its subtle aroma, which is milder than black rice vinegar. In this recipe, using only black rice vinegar would make the flavor too intense, while using only white rice vinegar would lack depth. Chili paste adds saltiness, acidity from its vinegar content, and spiciness. You can substitute it with milder chili powder or Korean chili powder. For side dishes like chop suey, vegetables are quickly stir-fried over high heat with constant stirring, using garlic, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. It's a dish that highlights fresh vegetables, which are often kept slightly crunchy. Sometimes, chop suey includes meat as well.